This is the voiceover for the MCQ in Acoustics series. Included topic in the Communications Engineering ECE Board Exam. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 76. The wavelength of a sound of 20 kHz frequency is A 16.5 m, B 16.5 centimeters, C 16.5 mm, D 16.5 Answer, C 16.5 mm. 77. The radio of frequencies is termed A. Octave, B. Interval, C. Harmonics, D. Masking. Answer, B. Interval. 78. What is the increase in sound pressure level in dB, if the pressure is doubled? A. 2 dB, B. 3 dB, C. 6 dB, D. 4 dB. Answer, C. 6 dB. 79. A term which is subjected but dependent mainly on frequency and also affected by intensity. A. Timbre, B. Quality, C. Frequency, D. Pitch. Answer, D. Pitch. 80. An effect that occurs in the ear where a louder sound can reduce or even stop the nerve voltage generated by a weaker sound. A. Piezoelectric effect, B. Skin effect, C. Lasing, D. Masking. Answer, D. Masking. 81. For computation of ideal reverberation time, which formula is applicable? A. Sabine, B. Stephen and Bate, C. Norris Eyring, D. Notch. Answer, B. Stephen and Bate. 82. The blank of the sound is a subjective effect which is a function of the ear and brain. A. Pitch, B. Frequency, C. Timbre, D. Loudness. Answer, D. Loudness. 83. Define as the time taken from the intensity of sound energy in the room to drop to 1/1,000,000th of its initial value. A. Reverberation time, B. Transit time, C. Decaying time, D. Response time. Answer, A. Reverberation time. 84. Blank is the sound energy per unit area at right angles of the propagation direction, per unit time. A. Loudness, B. Coherence, C. Sound stress, D. Sound intensity. Answer, D. Sound intensity. 85. 1 octave above 600 Hz is A. 601 Hz, B. 800 Hz, C. 1400 Hz, D. 1200 Hz. Answer, D. 1200 Hz. 86. A car horn outdoors produces a sound intensity level of 90 dB at 10 meters away. At this distance, what is the sound power in watt? A. 0.63, B. 1.26, C. 0.315, D. 0.56 times 10 raised to -6. Answer, A. 0.63. 87. The unit of loudness level. A. Zone, B. dB, C. Mel, D. Fon. Answer, D. Fon. 88. Consist of a rapid succession of noticeable echoes. A. Rarefaction, B. Refraction, C. Reflection, D. Flutter echo. Answer, D. Flutter echo. 89 laid the foundations of acoustic theory of buildings. A. Charles H. Towns. B. W. C. Sabine. C. A. Jobin. D. Stephen N. Bate. Answer, B. W. C. Sabine. 90 An aural sensation by pressure variations in the air which are always produced by some source of vibrations. A. Music. B. Sound. C. Disturbance. D. Speech. Answer, B. Sound. 91 Considered to be the threshold of hearing. A. 10 raised to negative 12 watts per square centimeter. B. 10 raised to negative 16 watts per square meter. C. 10 raised to negative 13 watts per square meter. D. 10 raised to negative 12 watts per square meter. Answer, D. 10 raised to negative 12 watts per square meter. 92 The average absorption for a person is A. 5.7 units. B. 4.7 units. C. 6.7 units. D. 3.7 units. Answer, B. 4.7 units. 93 The number of vibration or pressure fluctuations per seconds. A. Frequency. B. Timbre. C. Quality. D. Pitch. Answer, A. Frequency. 94 Defined as the average rate of transmission of sound energy in a given direction through a cross-sectional area of 1 square meter at right angles to the direction. A. Sound pressure. B. Loudness. C. Sound intensity. D. Pressure variation. Answer, C. Sound intensity. 95 What is the sound pressure level, SPL, of a sound having a RMS pressure of 200 Newton per square meter? A. 150 dB. B. 140 dB. C. 170 dB. D. 160 dB. Answer, B. 140 dB. 96 The minimum sound intensity that can be heard is termed A. Threshold of feeling. B. Threshold of pain. C. Threshold of sensation. D. Threshold of hearing. Answer, D. Threshold of hearing. 97 What is the intensity of the sound whose RMS pressure is 200 Newton per square meter? A. 96.9 watts per square meter. B. 97.9 watts per square meter. C. 95.9 watts per square meter. D. 94.9 watts per square meter. Answer, B. 97.9 watts per square meter. 98 The unit of pitch. A. Tone. B. Pitch. C. dB. D. Mel. Answer, D. Mel. 99 What is the increase in sound pressure level in dB, if the intensity is doubled? A. 2 dB. B. 3 dB. C. 4 dB. D. 6 dB. Answer, B. 3 dB. 100 The velocity of sound is considered to be constant at blank for the purpose of acoustics. A. 300 meter per second. B. 330 millimeter per second. C. 330 micrometer per second. D. 330 centimeters per second. Answer, A. 300 meter per second.